please save her from me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she waiting for me. And everywhere she goes, they play in my songs. Will say the things.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm bringing you guys a Halloween tutorial and I'm so excited. I am obsessed with mermaids, to say the least. Like, if I could be something, I would be a mermaid, obviously. Like, why wouldn't you? You know, mermaids are awesome. For my first ever Halloween tutorial, I decided to make you guys this mystical mermaid look, and it was very easy to create. I obviously wanted to go all out with the glitter and the bling, but yeah, so I hope you guys like it. I did buy this wig off of Amazon. I'm so happy it's finally October and I get to do fun videos for you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, if you want more Halloween tutorials, please give me a thumbs up. That would help me out a lot, and knowing that you guys want more of these videos, or simply comment down below and just let me know. Or if you have any requests for a Halloween tutorial, I could do my best to recreate that look for you guys and upload it. That way you guys have a little bit of options for Halloween. But yes, I'm so excited. You guys see this little seashell on my forehead? It's so cute. But yeah, if you guys want to see how to create this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Hi guys, so we're going to be diving into the Norvina palette. You guys already know this is my favorite. So for my first shade, I'm going to be putting down the shade Incense. It's kind of just like a neutral brown, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my crease area, kind of blowing it up everywhere. Next is going to be the shade Love, and it's this beautiful satin pink color, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my crease and a little bit lower than the first shade. And then diving back in, I'm going to be picking up the shade Soul, and I'm going to be placing that even lower than Love. So I'm just placing a gradient of colors everywhere. Next, I'm taking this flat shader brush and I'm going to be placing some concealer to start cutting down my crease. Cutting my crease. As you guys can see here, I'm just building it up some more until I get the shape that I want. And I'm just going a little bit higher than my natural crease area. After that's done, I'm going to be picking up the shade Celestial, and I'm going to be placing that all over where I just have applied the concealer and just building that up. This color is so yummy. Do you guys see that sparkle? I love this color. And then for my outer corners, I'm going to be placing the shade Passion, and I'm just going to be working that from the outer corners to the outer crease corners and kind of just blowing it up. And then I'm going to be picking up the shade Wild Child and putting that as my brow bone highlight. I'm going to be picking up the shade Soul, this purple color, and I'm going to be proceeding to line my brows with it towards the middle to the end. And then I'm going to be picking up Love, which is that pink color, and that's where it's going to go in from the inner brow to the middle brow, and then kind of just making a gradient of pink and purple. After that, I'm going to be taking my favorite liner at the moment, which is the Fly Liner by Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to be proceeding to create a cat eye wing. Next, I'm going to be picking up the Stila glitter eyeshadow, and I'm going to be lining the outside of the crease area, or the top of the crease area, as you guys can see here, with the glitter. And then I'm going to be just placing a set of lashes from the Makeup Shack. It'll be linked down below, and also applying the eyeliner on the bottom lower lash line. I picked up the shade Soul to do my nose contour and just blending it out there. So I got this little sticker stencil looking thing for a mermaid look from wetnwild.com, and it was literally $1, you guys, and I placed it on my cheeks, and to get that scaly look, and I'm just going to be proceeding to do my contour. Shades that I use for my contour is Passion, Drama, and Celestial, and I'm just going to be doing a gradient of purples from matte to metallics. And then at the very top, I did place the shade Wild Child as kind of like a highlighter. I'm also placing that shade towards the middle of my forehead and also to highlight my inner corners. Got some jewels from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to place that kind of everywhere all over my face. I'm picking up the shades Celestial and Wild Child, and I'm just kind of making some glitter action happen here. I'm placing it on underneath my eyes, as you guys can see here, and I'm just mixing the two shades. Going back into the Stila Shadow Can Karma, I'm just placing some of that on my finger and kind of just spreading that everywhere. So that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys recreate this, and if you do, please let me know. That way I can hit you guys up and see your pictures. If you would kindly send them to me, that would be amazing. I love it when you guys recreate my looks. I think the second best part of this video is that we finally hit 200 subscribers, you guys. I am so happy. Thank you for everybody who has supported me from the very beginning. I love every single one of you guys, and I truly just want to give back to you guys for supporting me so much and for loving me and allowing me to be myself and allowing me to be creative with you guys. I'm going to be telling you guys what are the rules for the giveaway, how you could enter, and also to enter in my giveaway you must first be subscribed. So you can just go ahead and click the red button that says subscribe in my channel, or if you're already subscribed, then you don't have to do anything. And also you do have to turn on your notification bell just so you guys can get notified for future giveaways and future videos, and there will be no hassle. That way you guys can just click the link when it notifies you each time I upload a new video. Also, on Instagram, you do have to follow me. I'll have my Instagram down below, and you do have to repost a picture of me, #ChristineG giveaway. I will be checking for that, and I will be checking that you guys are subscribed to my channel and following me on Instagram. So that's the second rule. After all of that is done, just come back to this video and comment done on the comment section down below. That way I know to check for you guys. And yeah, so that's it. The part that you guys are waiting for is gonna be the prizes, and I'm so shook for this giveaway because it's awesome, let me tell you. Okay, so for the first prize, it's gonna be this little e.l.f. trio. So you get a highlighter, a baked highlighter, blush, you get a plumping lip gloss, and you get a setting powder brush. So you will get this for the giveaway. And then also I will be giving you guys my reward from Sephora, and this is the Bare Minerals You Know You Want Me set. So it has a few skincare stuff, a lippy, a foundation, a setting powder, bronzing powder, and yeah, so you will get this entire set. And I love Bare Minerals, and I really wanted to keep this for myself, but I am gonna give it to you guys. A set of Ardell Falsy lashes in the style Studio Effects. So as you can see it in the ends, it's kind of doubled up. Really cool set of lashes. You will also be getting the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. This is one of my holy grails primers, and this one smells amazing. This one is in So Chill Coconut, so when you spray this all over yourself, you just feel like you're on a tropical vacation. But yeah, this primer water, you will be getting the primer water right here. And last but not least, you will be getting the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. And this is a full contour palette. I'm not going to open it for you guys because this is brand new. So yeah, you will be getting this palette along with the other goodies that I showed you. I actually have this palette and I'm obsessed with it. It has highlighting shades for under your eyes, or if you want to clean up your contour. And then also it has a whole bunch of contour shades from warm to cool to dark to light, so whatever your skin tone is, it would work perfect for you. A little something to show my gratitude towards all of my followers and all of my subscribers and those who keep watching me, and show love on the daily basis. Thank you so much. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you do enter the giveaway. I love you guys, and I hope you have a great day. And with all of that being said, thank you so much once more, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!